This is a rational equation. And to be able to graph it and determine some things about it, I need to look at the different parts of this graph, or this equation. I need to find my excluded values. To find the excluded values, I need to take my denominator and factor it. What multiplies to give me 12 and adds up to 7? That would be 3 and 4. So I have to factor my denominator, and I set each of these factors equal to 0 and solve. Okay, to solve this, I have -3 to both. So n equals -3, and I subtract 4. So I have these two excluded values. So when I'm looking this on a graph, my excluded values can either be a hole in the graph, or it can be an asymptote. An asymptote is that invisible barrier. An asymptote is the invisible barrier for the function. And these values are going to give me that invisible barrier. When I look at my graph, the thing that I can cancel, the canceled value is the hole in the graph. Okay, so what can I cancel on this problem? Well, I can cancel the n plus 4 and n plus 4. Therefore, n equals 4 is a hole on the graph. The remaining n plus 3, or in this case, n equals -3, is my vertical asymptote. And it will be at n equals -3. To find whether it's a hole or an asymptote, whether the graph is a hole or an asymptote, a hole is a canceled value. The one that I can cancel out creates a hole in the graph, whereas the other creates an asymptote, that invisible barrier that goes through the graph.